Good morning, students. In this session, we are going to discuss education and sociology. Need to understand education with sociological perspectives, concept of educational sociology, sociology of education, and scope of sociology of education. But before starting to understand these broad concepts, we need to understand what is education and what is sociology. Only then we can understand education with sociological perspectives. First of all, we start with what is education. In general terms, it is to train, change in behavior, modification in behavior, or to adjust ourselves in the environment according to our environment. Adjustment. But when it comes to sociological perspectives, it takes different form. It takes different meaning. So let's just start. What is education? Education takes place in the society and is a social thing. According to Durkheim, it is society as a whole and each particular social milieu that determine the ideal that education realizes. Society can survive only if there exists among its members a sufficient degree of homogeneity. Education perpetuates, reinforces this homogeneity by fixing a child in the form in the beginning, from the beginning. The essential similarities, collective life demands. But on the other hand, without certain diversity, all cooperation would be impossible. Education assumes a persistence of this necessary diversity by being itself diversified and specialized. So we can say Durkheim views education as a means of organizing the individual self and the social self within the society, the I and the we into a disciplined, stable and meaningful unity within the system of the society. The internalization of values and discipline represents the child's initiation into the society. This is why it is very significant to study and analyze education using sociological approaches because it takes place in society. Education is everything which comprises the way of life of a society or group of people is learned. Nothing of it is biologically inherited. Education, that is why education is training. To train our behavior, to train our mind, how we react in a certain situation, how we adjust ourselves with other people, within this society, within this system, at workplace, in classroom, in society, with other people, at public places. So it teaches us, it trains our mind to how to behave in a society, how to adjust ourselves, how to train our mind. So this is just training. So education is everything which comprises the way of life of a society because we adjust ourselves according to the way of life of a society with the norms or we follow the norms of a society or group of people is learned. Nothing of it is biologically inherited. It is taught. It is learned. So it is not biologically inherited. The human infant is incredibly receptive to experience. That is, he is capable of developing a wide range of beliefs about the world around him, skills in manipulating it, and values as to how he should manipulate it. We are receptive to experiences. So we are capable of developing a wide range of beliefs with these experiences that we receive about the world around us. Skills in manipulating it and values as to how he should manipulate it. The infant is totally dependent from birth and for a long period of time thereafter upon other people.